to creamy and sweet. B is for black tea, a classic treat. C is for coconut, smooth and light. D is for dragon fruit, a daring bite. Sip, sip, hooray, let's learn and play. Flavors and letters make the best day. Pop, pop, swirl, let's sing and see all of the letters with my boba and me. E is for Earl Grey, cozy and bold. F is for fruit tea, served icy or cold. G is for green tea, grassy and fresh. H is for honeydew, sweet and the best. Sip, sip, hooray, let's learn and play. Flavors and letters make the best day. Pop, pop, swirl, let's sing and see all of the letters with my boba and me. I is for iced latte, cool and divine. J is for jasmine, floral and fine. K is for kumquat, tangy and bright. L is for lychee, a tropical delight. M is for matcha, grassy and green. N is for Nutella, silky and clean. O is for oolong, earthy and deep. P is for peach, a flavor to keep. Sip, sip, hooray, let's learn and play. Flavors and letters make the best day. Pop, pop, swirl, let's sing and see all of the letters with my boba and me. Q is for quince, a flavor so rare. R is for raspberry with a rosy flair. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. T is for taro, purple that's spread. U is for ube with a taste so grand. V is for vanilla, smooth and bland. W is for watermelon, cool and light. X is for extreme mango, taking a bite. Y is for yogurt, tangy and fun. Z is for zesty, lime, enjoyed by everyone. Now we know our flavors from A to Z. Boba and letters, so tasty you'll see. Sip, sip,